Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a specific person's Instagram activity. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The first thing you can do is turn on their post notifications. So let's go to the Pilot Mika's profile, and then you'll just click the bell icon on the upper right, and from here you're gonna see these different notification options, and you could get notifications for his post, his stories, his IGTV, and his live videos. So turning on notifications is a good way to get a specific person's Instagram activity. The next way is going into their tag photos. You can see who's tagged them, what they've been doing. You can click on the photos, look at the captions. So turning on notifications and looking at tag photos are both great ways to seeing a specific person's Instagram activity. If you go back to your feed, another way to just see Instagram activity in general is to scroll through your feed, and you can see whoever you're following. You can see if they've liked post. So I followed Coti, and I can see right here that she's liked Volleyball World's post. So these three things are the closest thing we have to activity tab in Instagram right now. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.